No one could touch him, not even trained officers. But when a little girl walked forward, everything changed. The dog had terrified everyone for months.
Even experienced handlers refused to go near him.
He wasn't just aggressive. He was traumatized. They believed he was beyond saving. Every attempt to calm him failed.
Some believe there was only one solution left.
Yeah.
He can't be rehabilitated.
We've exhausted all options.
But fate had a different plan.
She saw something others didn't.
Stay back, ma'am. He will bite.
Everyone told her to keep her distance.
But she didn't back away.
She looked at him without fear.
And for the first time, he stopped.
She made herself small, safe.
The dog had never reacted like this.
She offered him kindness.
And he responded.
She wasn't afraid. She understood him.
He took his first gentle step toward trust.
No one could believe what they were witnessing.
He moved closer, choosing her over fear.
The officers were stunned. This wasn't the same dog.
Your best friend.
She spoke to him in the gentlest voice.
And for the first time, he listened.
He didn't see danger in her. He saw trust.
None of the officers had ever gotten this close.
He asked for more, not food, but comfort. No one had ever touched him like this.
He melted, the aggression fading into peace.
For once, they didn't need force.
He allowed something no one expected, affection.
They approached slowly, unsure what to think.
The canine wasn't reacting with fear anymore.
She had earned his trust effortlessly.
Even the chief couldn't believe her courage.
She changed the way he saw people.
He followed her example.
and the impossible became real.
He was no longer aggressive. He was healing.
He was no longer the monster everyone feared.
Thanks, Lee. I'll take you out. He felt safe for the first time in years.
The station was in complete shock.
The dog chose her, like he'd been waiting for her his whole life.
He wasn't aggressive. He was hurting.
And she gave him what he needed most: love.
The officers had never seen him this peaceful.
What happened here? How did you get hurt?
She understood his pain without words.
He trusted her completely.
A bond formed instantly.
He wanted comfort, and she gave it freely.
No one could believe such a small girl could do so much.
He was acting like a different dog.
And then she showed him something that mattered.
It reminded him of the pup he once was.
He wasn't dangerous. He was protecting a memory.
For the first time, he felt safe enough to rest.
She spoke to him with kindness no one else had shown. He chose her fully.
He wasn't aggressive anymore. He was hers now.
They trusted her more than anyone else.
And the dog followed her, like she was his true handler.
For the first time in his life, someone treated him with patience.
And it was a moment worth remembering forever.
He obeyed her instantly, something he never did before.
That was the moment he accepted her completely.
He wasn't aggressive anymore. He was finally at peace.
No one had ever seen him like this.
He let someone touch him after years of fear.
It was the purest moment of trust anyone had ever seen.
And thanks to her, he was given another chance.
She taught him gently, patiently, lovingly.
And he learned faster under her than anyone else.
The department couldn't believe the change.
He chose her completely.
He finally felt safe.
She wasn't done helping him yet.
He wasn't the aggressive canine anymore. She changed him.
She healed what no one else could.
No one could touch him until a little girl touched his heart.